Whenever your mind wanders, even inadvertently, and when such thing happens over a prolonged period of time, then what happens is your subconscious mind starts believing whatever your thoughts are. So what happens next is such thoughts become the reality. They become your life. So how do we stop this? The only way we can stop this is to feed our subconscious mind with positive thoughts. And the best way to feed such positive thoughts into your subconscious mind is to feed it with gratitude, with gratefulness. Now, this is my fifth video in the Law of Attraction series. And if you have not looked into the first four videos, it's time for you to do this. The links are given on top of it as well as in the description. And for others who have already watched those four videos and are so keen to get into this fifth video, before we head into the lesson, it's time for the show.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta...
Welcome back. This is your Santhosh Rupert. This is the fifth video of the Law of Attraction series. And to get on with it, even in future, to get notifications, time for you to subscribe to this channel. And of course, I am very much keen to listen from you, to hear from you, to get your feedback. So put on your thoughts in the comments and also be in touch with me through the social media feeds. And also, most importantly, don't forget to share this with your loved ones. Let's dive into the lesson. Imagine a friend of you brings you with a very beautiful gift, and after receiving it and having a careful look at it, you start saying, "Oh, this is not the color for me. Maybe I don't think this is the right fit for me. You could have chosen something else." And if that was your response, do you think that the same friend will ever again bring you another gift? But think if you have appreciated it and appreciated his effort and said, "Wow, this is really beautiful. Where did you even find this? I love this and I really appreciate what you have brought on for me." And if that is your response, don't you think every time whenever he finds something that he feels that you would like, it's something of your taste, he will be inclined rather to bring that for you. Now, this is not only for friends. This is how almost each and everything works, and especially this is how the universe works. Now, how do we communicate with the universe? That is by our thoughts, because our thoughts are nothing but electromagnetic vibrations. Not only that, we emit it within ourselves so that they in turn take care or take control of our self, our body, but the thoughts are also emitted outwardly to the universe. So it is essential that when we communicate with the universe, we are being careful and concentrate. In order to receive gifts from the universe, positive and good gifts from the universe, we should be showing gratitude to the universe for whatever it has given us. So how do we do this? Are we going to keep on murmuring something, paying gratitude to the universe 24/7? At the same time, you might also have a question like, "I haven't received anything so big, so large that I have the need, or I feel that there's a need to show appreciation." But here's the thing, you need to understand two things here. The first thing is, whatever you are at this moment, whatever you are having at this moment in life are indeed special. Be it your loved ones, starting from your parents, your career, your wealth, your education, your financials, etc. You need to be thankful and be grateful for those. The second thing is, it doesn't really matter whether you have something or not. How it works is, if you are positive, if you show gratitude, you will receive it in multifold. So even whether you don't have something, irrespective of the reality of whether you have something or not, it is all about bringing about or developing that mindset, that lifestyle of gratitude. So even for the things that you are in need, you can still show gratitude as if you have already received it. What matters is that we cultivate that mindset and that lifestyle within us related to gratitude. So don't worry much about whether you have something to show gratitude or whether you don't have it or will you be getting it, etc. You don't need to be concerned, you don't need to be doubtful in that sense. Irrespective of whether you have or not, develop, inculcate that mindset, that lifestyle in you. So how do we do it? There are certain simple set of practices. Now, the one important practice that almost everyone has tried and tested is having a gratitude journal. So how does this gratitude journal works? Now in the description I provide you with a link of a gratitude journal I created myself, a gratitude journal of my own. You can download it and use it on a day-to-day basis. So here's how it is work. The first part of the gratitude journal is for you to do it in the morning, as long as early as you get up. If you can't do it as soon as you get up, use it in the morning session itself at the earliest possible time. Here we are going to write down 10 different things that you are grateful for and respectively the reason why are you grateful for each of these things. For example, if you are being grateful for your job, the reason why you are grateful is it provides for you for your monthly needs, your day-to-day needs, it provides you for living a comfortable life, etc. Like that, try to figure out 10 different things each morning and write down those as well as their reasons. It can be your health, your wealth, your loved ones, your education, your career, even a new day full of new opportunities, etc. The second part of it is be grateful for your loved ones in your life. At least I am sure you can find 3 to 5 loved ones in life to whom you can be grateful for. The best thing is if you can get hold of pictures of those 5 and put in a place in your room or at your workplace where you will be able to see them frequently during your day. But if that's impossible, at least make sure that you write them, their names here, and try to remember them a few times during the day. The third part of it and the fourth part of it is to do it in the night time when you are about to wind up for the night. The third thing is for you to be grateful for the best things happen during the day. Be grateful for the achievements you had. Be grateful for the good things happen. So list down the best of the things that have occurred to you during the day. And the last part is, of course, the challenges you have faced during the day and the lessons you learn from them. Now, why do we need to be grateful for the challenges we face? Is because they always provide us with an opportunity to learn something new and to improvise ourselves. So instead of getting into the negativities of challenges, it is always good that we keep that in the positive side of it so that we can also be grateful for the challenges that we encounter. So these are the 4 simple parts in the gratitude journal I have prepared for you. So it is essential that you keep filling this regularly for a long period of time. At least try to do it regularly and constantly for 21 days to make it a habit. So here's the first thing in terms of showing gratitude, that is using and maintaining a gratitude journal. So catch you up next week with another technique that can improve yourself on your way towards manifestation. Till then, cheers.